So let's see how you can configure the Approvals app for finance and operations. First of all, of course, you need to look at your users and make sure they have the right roles. Having the buying agent or the purchasing agent or the purchasing manager depends on whether they approve the PO or the PR or both together. And then, of course, you need to come to make sure that you have the Power Platform integration set up here. Then once that's done, you have to come back. You have to go to the features of that environment that you have set up for that environment. The Dataverse environment. So you can go here and make sure this option is on. That allows to publish the Canvas app with code components. So once that's done, of course, you can install the app from the App Source. You can use this link to get to the App Source app. Once you get it, so you have to say get it now, and you use your login credentials to deploy, and the app will ask you which environment you want to deploy this app on. So you can select that, and once it's that done, you can go to your environment, then to the same environment. Then you can select the user and give it the roles that are required for him to be able to use the app, which are the basic user and the finance and operations basic user. Okay. After that, of course, you need to go and share the app with them. So you have to go to the go back one step here. Then you go to the Power Apps. There we're going to find our app here, so you can share it with the users whom you want to have that app for their approvals. Once that is done, all what they need is to install the Power Apps app on their mobile phone, and inside they'll find the Approvals Management app ready for them. They can pin it to their home screen in their mobile, and they can use it directly. So that's it for this video.